Hello, my name is Cristian Rodriguez, student ID 12082900. This is a presentation for network design. In order to meet the OSP dispatch business and technical goals, it is recommended to implement a network topology with several interrelated components. For this, hierarchical network design is suitable as it permits the organization of the layers with the specific requirements and capacities. In this case, the core and distribution layers are combined, considering that it is a relatively small network. There are functional requirements given by the OS dispatch, such as the servers must be allocated in the Paramata office, and a cloud-based solution is not supported by the owner. So it is assumed that workers at Paramata can have access to the network only through the computers allocated to each worker inside the office, which implies they must log in to access the network and the navigation is traceable. In terms of the network design at Paramata office, 6 servers are allocated in the main office. Servers are connected to 2 different switches, providing redundancy. Therefore, in case of any failure, a backup network can respond and process the traffic temporarily. Although this configuration can increase significantly the cost of the project, it supports one crucial feature of information security, which is availability. Servers are also connected to the internet through an internal router, which uses a protection firewall. This firewall has been implemented to control traffic and as a security measure. The external router provided by the internet service provider is not used as the main router for the company for security reasons. Instead, it is connected to an internal router that is covered by a firewall. This approach allows the control of the traffic at a higher level by setting the firewall with an appropriate access control list that must be implemented as well. Redundancy has also been given to the employees' connections to support the demand of the data analyst, who, according to the case study, must access a large volume of information. In the 20 collections and distribution centers, a smaller network is implemented. The router, which is protected with a firewall, is connected to one switch, and it provides the connection to the desktop computer. Additionally, there is an access point connected to the switch for wireless connections and mobile access as established in the technical requirements. The connection between the distribution centers and the servers in Paramata is established through the ISP. Considering the large distances that could be covered in New South Wales for 20 distribution centers, this network can be classified as a wide area network. It is not practical to generate an entirely private network because of the distance. Instead, the connection can be secured by implementing access control list in the firewall, which can allow the access to the servers based on the IP addresses given. As defined in the model for addressing, the network for the main office in Paramata is named OS Dispatch, and the IP addresses given cover the range of 128.23.110.1 to 128.23.110.30. It's important to reinforce that the 20 connections and distribution centers are provided with a range of IP addresses that were discussed in the report. Thank you so much.